I'm trying to find out if I'm the only one noticing this. Feels like everywhere I look, somebody is getting microlocks, and honestly, I get it.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
There is a shift happening in the natural hair world, and by 2026, this hairstyle might just take over.
I am not with Metro anymore. I am with AT&T.
Why are so many people saying goodbye to their traditional locks and actually making that switch over to installing microlocks? And you can see this transition everywhere: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and I get the hype. As someone with traditional locks myself, have you seen microlocks? They are incredibly refined, sleek, and elegant, very uniform and neat. Microlocks gives you that polished appearance that's good for every environment. That's in school, corporate, at work, everywhere. The scalp visibility with this microlocks hairstyle is so clean. Microlocks create this naturally structured look that you barely have to style for your hair to look amazing. And then when you do decide to do a style, the possibilities are endless because they're so versatile.
I don't know how it's gonna work. I don't know how it's gonna go. I don't know how it's gonna go. It could go either way.
Unlike traditional locks, microlocks can give you that micro braid aesthetic without sacrificing the longevity and the benefits of locks. Like the best of both worlds. And it looks like miniature braids in your loose natural hair, like mini twist. But beyond just aesthetics, let's get into why microlocks are so practical. The practical benefits are a huge part of this shift. For one, unlike Sisterlocks, microlocks can be easier to maintain, especially if you're doing it yourself and without the price tag of Sisterlocks. So this means flexibility, more freedom, less appointments, more independence. Microlocks are great for women who want a long-term protective style for their natural hair. Through social media, I see a lot of women that say microlocks just suit their lifestyle a lot better. As whether they're balancing motherhood or going to school or having a busy career, microlocks just make maintaining your hair and just going through life so much easier. You save so much time and you still look so drop dead gorgeous as well. It's not that traditional locks aren't beautiful, but many women are craving something lighter, more subtle, and flexible. Some feel that their thicker locks don't give them enough styling range, and others want a look that blend more seamlessly, especially in professional spaces. Others just like how microlocks look, hang, and feel as they mature. It's certainly not about abandoning tradition, but finding something that better aligns and suits with your lifestyle.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
You know what? I am for this transition. Let me know in the comments if I'm the only one noticing that a lot of people seem to be getting microlocks, and I've been seeing a lot of people coming out their traditional locks for microlocks. So it really had me questioning, what's causing this shift? But just doing some more research and just seeing microlocks are beautiful, and I can see how they're so beneficial. I'm for it. I'm just for this change. Anytime you even start to get bored with your traditional locks, just fact that you can switch it up, get a different type of locks that you equally love or love even more. That's so amazing. Now, of course, microlocks aren't magically maintenance free. They still need patience, they still need care, and retightening can take time. But honestly, the people who choose this journey says it's beyond worth it, because once you settle down into that microlock style, the freedom and convenience is unmatched. So yeah, microlocks are on the rise, and by year 2026, this might just be the style setting the standard in the natural hair community. They just honor the lock journey while still giving you that freedom to express your personal style. Whether you choose this fly Whether you choose Microlocks, Sisterlocks, or traditional locks, what matters is just choosing the style that aligns with you. But if you're thinking about making the switch, you're definitely not alone. Let me know in the comments if you're team Microlocks or if you're holding on to your traditional locks. I really want to know. They're both so beautiful. I know a lot of people are like are going back and forth like which one should you choose, and that's a tough decision, honey, because like what do you choose? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and also like it so YouTube knows that you did enjoy it. That helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate your support and for watching all these videos. Share this video with someone considering starting their microlock journey. We have so much to talk about, and trust me, this journey is just getting started. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you again in the next one.